What is the illustration? The illustration is the way out of the inability of the human being to serve himself by his own understanding without the help of another. During the Enlightenment, many thinkers of the time said that human knowledge could convert ignorance, superstition, and tyranny to build a better world. Something fundamental to highlight was that during the illustration it had a great boom in various aspects such as economic, political, scientific, and social. Thus expanded through and different kind of debate. It can also be said of the Enlightenment that it is a political and cultural movement that was known for bringing luminous ideas to the dark society of the past, and they would be very focused on reason. During the 18th century, this movement also had support in the intellectual spheres and upper class.